In exercise 3, the question reads, in 22 milliliter of water, there are about 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 molecules. How many molecules are there in 1.5 liters of water? Give your answer to 4 significant figures. In this exercise, you have to understand the question before you be able to solve it. Now, if 22 milliliters of water, you have 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 molecules. How many molecules are there in 1.5 liters? So this is 1.5 liters. How many molecules are we going to have in it? Now this is in milliliters. We have to know first and foremost how many molecules we'll have in 1 liter. If we know the quantity of molecules we have in 1 liter, then we shall know how many we have in 1.5 liters. So I'll say let the quantity we have in 1.5 liters be Y. But first and foremost, let's get how many molecules we have in 1 liter. So in 1 liter, the quantity of molecules we have will be equal to the quantity of molecules in 22 milliliters divided by 22 milliliter. So this will be equal to 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23, all divided by 22 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, because we are dealing with milliliter. And 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. So when you divide by this, you are going to get the quantity in 1 liter. Then when you have it in 1 liter, when you multiply by 1.5, it gives you the quantity you will have in 1.5 liters. So if this is the quantity of molecules we'll have in 1 liter, then in 1.5 liter, which is Y, now will be equal to 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 divided by 22 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 times 1.5. This will give us the quantity of molecules we will have in 1.5 liter. So you may decide to simplify this by solving what you have in 1 liter before you multiply by 1.5, or you go straight ahead to multiply together. Whichever way you go about it, you still arrive at the same answer. So that Y is equal to 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 times 1.5 divided by 22 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. This is, I've been able to express it from word problems to algebraic expressions, which is in standard form. I shall then solve it in standard form and leave my answer in standard form notation as I said. So this is equal to 7.3612 times 1.5 times 10 raised to the power of 23, all divided by 22 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Y is equal to, when you multiply 7.3612 by 1.5, it gives us 11.0418 times 10 raised to the power of 23, all divided by 22 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. We shall then divide the numerator by the denominator. When you divide 11.0418 by 22, you shall have 0.5019 times 10 raised to the power of 23 minus minus 3. Y is equal to 0.5019 times 10 raised to the power of 23 plus 3, and our y is equal to 0.5019 times 10 raised to the power of 26. Writing this in standard form, and we are asked to approximate it to 4 significant figure, which is already in 4. This will be equal to 5.019 times 10 raised to the power of, when you move the decimal point one place to your left, the power decreases by 1. So this is times 10 raised to the power of 25. So you are going to have 5.019 times 10 raised to the power of 25 molecules in 1.5 liters of water. What did I do? The question says in 22 milliliters of water, there are about 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 molecules. How many molecules are there in 1.5? All I did was to first of all get the quantity of molecules in 1 liter. And how did I get that? By dividing 7.361 times 10 raised to 7.3612 times 10 raised to the power of 23 by 22 milliliter. And 22 milliliter is said to be 22 times 10 raised to the power of 3. That was what I did here. I thereafter multiplied it by 1.5, simplified, and got my answer to be 5.019 times 10 raised to the power of 25. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Thank you and do have a nice day.